quality stream. So like,
To
if you have,
China.
what's your upload speed?
I don't have much. It's like 10.
Oh yeah, 30. I mean, you technically could do more than 3,500 if you wanted.
I'm gonna try 6,000.
You should. You should definitely try it. It should honestly be fine.
It'd look a lot better, probably.
Yeah. 10 is definitely like more than enough.
Or I'm locked in.
He's locked.
Let's go.
Wait, what? She just randomly stumbled across him? It is hot. Upstairs?
I'm going first floor. Fuck it.
Yeah.
No, stick with us. Stick with us.
Just run up the stairs if you get a chance. Let me grab these ones. I knocked 2 at the long.
Knocked, okay.
One more in sauna.
There should be one more along the door.
It's one more in sauna still in green.
Oh.
One's far garage.
Fuck.
I'm looting. One in kitchen, guys, below us. One just got
I'm
knocked
getting
down.
roof.
That room, we should go push it. With you, H1, let's go direct.
Okay.
With you.
I'm like more so.
With you. Go clear left. He knocked in here. See him knocked on the outside.
He's right behind yellow.
Yeah, heard. One's farther right by the car tower as well, green.
Okay.
Swinging out right. He's got a car. Hell no.
Oh boy.
No.
I'm gonna ride though.
This one out. No. Please.
Please die to our bullets.
Oh, got him.
Oh, nice. He jumped out. Oh, double up, baby. There's no running.
2 for 1 still.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my
also
god.
resting
Long house.
them.
They put it over the ridge. Backside long house. Green.
2
Oh,
long.
there's one camping in here with a
Come on,
shotgun.
Left side.
Come back.
Yeah, they're res my guys.
No.
And bottom left. Okay. Sticker.
Blow in the corner, Yoshi.
I'm smoking. Stick
I
ash.
got it.
No.
Sticker.
Oh my god. Is that a nade? Oh, it's smoke.
I hope not. There's still long house,
There's
right?
still more. Yeah, there's
Yeah,
more.
I'm gonna nade in.
I need 9s. Someone drop 9s.
I don't have any.
I
I'll
got
res after I heal.
dropping.
Yeah, you res.
They in the middle or
Long
far?
house, H1. Left side.
Nade in.
Far side.
Oh god.
Nice, dude.
Knock.
On it.
Oh my.
I also
Okay.
had a knock on the hill. I
Oh,
didn't
did
get
they
my kill, I don't
res?
think.
I didn't get my kill too.
Yeah, on
Oh,
water.
they res and they're leaving again.
Oh,
No
we
way.
see it.
Did you bring the
Yeah.
car?
Yeah, they just left.
We did.
Oh, no.
That's correct, Reaver. They're so lucky there's this whole team camping in here.
2 teams, you mean?
They just drive away for free.
Yeah, they're gone.
They gone. Look at the car. Where do you think they went though? Did they go graveyard or yellow? They need loot for sure. Where
I know.
was the last way they drove?
Let's just ride past graveyard, see if they shoot at us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Need 7s. Never mind.
I got you.
Yeah, auto.
I can drop 5s in the car. I'll take a little 7s. Attachments in the car. There's a stock for you.
For my M16.
Just shoot it as fast as you can.
Oh my god, they're here.
It might be a San Martin guy. That might be a different team,
Oh.
honestly.
Yeah, it might be.
He's crawling at us. Big bait, I don't know.
Going
Where
back.
is
on
she?
house.
Like his team is nowhere near.
Where is she?
Let's just leave.
Where's Rachel?
Hit him with that.
One
Hit with
of
that
them.
quick loot.
Yeah, he's got a nice setup for you, Ash. Oh,
Oh, here.
fuck.
Tower.
Yeah,
Oh, past the tower, past the tower.
just past it.
Right side, right side. Two of them. Up one, so one more ridge.
Yeah,
green
one more
ridge, green
closer.
ridge. Oh? Wait, no, I think it's just one.
Okay.
Trip.
I'm gonna go. do that. What is going on?
6x here from anyone. Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here.
Down.
The Twilight Zone here.
This is one of the weirder haciendas I've had.
For real.
Need an extended mag. Any extendos? The AK?
No, sir.
Here, I'll give it off my mini.
That's what I was looking for. That was what I was looking for. I'll give you a quick draw.
It's shooting Moriyashi. Moriyashi.
Bro, I forgot what I switched my seat forward to.
Oh, on the ridge door, right, west, blue mark. Oh, I'm gonna bait with the car. Should be.
He's not peeping.
He's up there, I swear to God.
He's running right.
I'm down.
I gotta go loot him.
You don't have extra boost?
Only have one.
4 in the trunk for you, sir.
Ooh, thank you.
I was rich.
Oh, I see some extras. I'm grabbing what's left over.
Go through Picado or above it.
I'm down.
At this line, we'll fly above them.
Water treatment rest. They looted that long.
Yeah.
Danger. Danger.
The esport's still there. Maybe go east. Yeah, we'll find one on the yellow.
North and the east will probably bump into someone.
Yeah.
Car in front of us.
Oh, hey, yo.
Oh man. On my car.
God.
Oh my god.
That was violent.
I am probably third
Ooh,
now.
second. I got you.
I kind of whiffed. Oops.
My car was going
Whoopsie.
everywhere. I couldn't even fucking aim.
I couldn't check that
Yashi
for
next.
shit.
Sure. Yep.
I got
Let
knocked
Shane res me.
instantly.
I got you.
He does a good job at resing the Yash.
Professional medic. A lot of smoke. So someone's got a free smoke.
Shot near yellow.
I need these meds.
Free smoking you guys.
I need first aids.
Here, I have 5. Dropping.
Thank you.
Oh wait, my fucking dude. Who got him? Who got all those fucking first aids? I didn't. I goofed up. Give me some back. I got 2 now. I went from 6 to 2. I went from rich to broke. I'm a little less broke now. We'll take it.
What was the team that shot this way? Might be on yellow. Oh, we're fucking cooked up there. Oh god.
Ashi, don't kill me, Ashi.
No, they're not.
I'm ahead of you. Do not kill me.
I won't.
Thank you.
Maybe cut.
That storm is following us. I had to cut it. Ash, fucking.
Don't matter
Stop
anymore. She's not cutting. I don't think Ash can hear either when she's driving.
I heard you, but
She just countered. That's okay.
She's got wall hack. She knows where the enemy is at. We don't.
I'm down to hit a little like up and around.
yeah.
We're gonna run into some role players and get fragged.
Nah.
I can't see anything. GG. 4 in an open Murado? No.
It's the Golden Marauder, dude. They know to respect it. They knew what we did to get it. Fuck. Knock one. Give me the fucking side. I'm low.
Really glider.
One more on the East Ridge, guys. East Ridge.
Over here, over here,
Yeah.
over here. Blue mark,
Yeah, I'm
blue
blue.
mark. He's going
What
more.
the fuck?
Far side, far side.
Heard. Going right or left, Joshi?
On
Up
top
the
of me.
hill. Good name.
Knocked one up.
Put down then.
Below me?
Oh, okay.
Oh, he's down. Very low.
Need gas? I'll fly you.
I need some meds off these gentlemen.
They take half.
Yeah, we'll do. Rest at the bottom.
I love those boys. They're so good. They're just so damn good. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to watch.
Like on the road again.
Shane, Ho, you got one thing right.
Get your ass in here.
Thanks for the beefy 49 months, Matt. The sub time matching up with the age, that's always a beautiful thing. I think I might have used that joke last time, but it was too good. I had to reuse it. About to be on a 15-hour flight. You know how it be. Can't wait to be in a fucking plane for 15 hours. Oh, car in front of us. Get ready. Left.
On our left.
It's smoky. It's probably stops.
Guy out down foot.
Oh, what the fuck?
Holy. I'm healing.
Big,
Top
big,
right.
big.
Not.
Nice stun. On the ridge, on the ridge.
I made it
Two.
over.
Or not one, actually.
One
Just
more.
one. Inside the barn, inside the barn. The
Oh,
barn.
you went in.
In the red box. Healing.
Inside, main. Right here in yellow. In the door. Flashing him.
The right.
You got another one? What the fuck?
I was like, is he outside? What the hell?
Dude, these guys were vibing, dude. There's a fucking inflatable boat in here right now. Is there another repair kit?
Yeah, I dropped it. Oh,
Nice,
taking
dude.
it.
I got torched.
We can shoot this glider down. Come peek it, guys. It's really close.
Yeah, yeah.
Ready, set, fire. Oh, he's close.
He's so low, guys.
I can't even tell where I'm aiming.
Drop that repair kit, please.
I'm dropping.
Oh,
Hey, Dexter.
H1 had one too. Got it. Wasn't aware you had one as well.
You're on yellow roof. Can you pick up over us? Wow.
Yeah,
Holy.
oh.
I'm safe. Watch the EP though.
I'm repairing it. I can't
Yeah,
anchor.
I'm trying to see if they jump or not.
This red Ash.
I'm just looking. They're jumping right now.
Yeah, but
They're jumping on us.
yeah, but it could have been faster.
Where they go? Lower warehouse?
They're going top. They're northwest.
Top rock. Oh, see. They're all going top rock, guys. They're getting beamed right now. Middle parachute guys lit. Middle parachute guys.
Must have forgotten to
landed.
cancel last time. Shit.
Are you tripping up on? We're good, actually.
Yeah.
We're good.
They are
What?
being.
What?
Yeah, I need to grab some fives.
There's some 5 over here.
Yeah.
There's a lot of 2 ammunition.
I'll take it.
Nah. Shooting through this guy. It doesn't hit him.
Coming over.
I need 3 vests around here. And repair it. Down to go fight yellow. Our car. Pull up on him.
Yeah, I'm down. There is a team in green. At least one guy there. I'm down to kill green first. They have a car we can use.
Don't we have a car or is it pop?
Yeah, it might have gotten popped. I'd imagine it did, but I'm getting info on green right now.
Got a Groza. Okay.
I'm just fucking walking on green, I'm not gonna lie.
There's just one guy that I see on close the small building. He could cross to the double though.
In the
He's
window.
low.
Top of the sky will crash
Okay.
him.
I'm gonna try to nade him. We've crossed.
To the
Stay
double.
twice behind the suicide. That's skinny. It's over, guys. It's over. He's got MP5. No. He's very fucking low. First floor of the suicide. Last seen outside. On the double. Outside. I still have a double still. Gosh, she's one. Good job.
Pussies, bro.
Phase 5 res.
You've
is
been
possible.
eliminated.
Just like we're right next.
Yeah.
Someone can definitely do it.
Oh no.
Give me this res.
Tryhards.
That's so annoying, dude.
You have been eliminated.
Oh no.
I'm taking Shane's this
Sad.
smoky car or oh okay. I need to get to the res station.
Try hard squad.
Just drop me near it.
Here, just ride with the Ashy. Car behind us,
Here,
clown
alright,
car.
come on, Blue. Yeah, you just got pulled up one.
Just stay in the car, just stay in the car. I'm dropping you here.
Yeah.
Smoke it.
Should be their teammates. Should be 3 there.
Got their wheel.
Yeah, they're pretty fucked, by the way. You guys just...
One's tagged. Knocked him.
Oh, fuck.
Not the guy shot you.
No.
It's gonna be close, Ash.
I know.
You got this. No.
You Rezo Yashi? I'm gonna BZ them.
Ash dead.
Or Rezo Yash.
Yeah, I'm going for
Oh.
the res on the.
I might be dead to phase 5.
Just carry her out. You have
Crawling,
to.
no, I'm crawling into the
Let
loot
her
right
crawl,
now.
let her
Stick it
crawl,
right now.
let her
Stick
crawl,
it, stick
then
it.
res.
Oh, no. Oh, I
No.
was...
Oh, you gotta let her crawl.
Just Rezo her in the thing. It's fine. Well, that's not fun.
I can't fucking use that chip.
Oh, it's still cooling down. It should be almost done now, She.
Yeah, it's only a
Wait a little bit
45-second cooldown.
Yeah. Just wait a little bit longer. I'll tell you when it's ready.
Should be good
Oh,
now.
I'm-
Give smokes. Yeah, you
People
can
on
burn
blue.
smokes. Yeah, do it. You can do it.
I'll try to shoot the blue guys for you.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Good job, Yoshi.
Game is
Dude, these guys
fucking
are
breaking in this one.
chilling upstairs. No, I'm coming.
I'm safe.
Insta res maybe.
I'm like
I'm gonna try
fourth.
to land. Yeah, I'm coming.
Get the res quick, Ash.
Yeah, I
I'm
got
probably
you.
dead.
I got you. No, I got you. I got you. I got you.
Oh, it's close. Oh,
Parachute behind
Shane, you beast.
That might have been me.
Got you, baby.
You're insane. So, John, you see how my game's like freezing by the smokes? I've been having this issue
Here,
for
dropping
like
your first aid, Ash.
Oh,
a
I'm looting
month.
this
Oh, we
guy.
got fed on zone. Been having this issue for like a full month. Just don't run outside, guys. Just stay inside. You have to come up the rock.
I do need a
I-
first aid, I think.
Best time on me.
Yeah, I do.
Here, here, here.
We're trying to jump off the rock. Just
I
can't shoot.
have no ammo.
Yeah, I need some.
I can give
flash
sevens.
I have
supplies, so-
nothing. Yeah.
I drop
Dropping.
sevens.
There we
Thank
go.
you.
Drop top.
Dropped 2 stacks. There's a guy on blue.
Yeah, I can't even peek with the metal railings. You do
Guy
the
on blue is
fences
moving
busted.
left.
2 knocked. Where's this fucking mutant guy? Can you spot him?
I don't.
He's getting rezzed. Oh, he's on the low part. He can peek out the window on him.
I see him. He's prone. I can't hit him.
Different team. What the fuck? Knock on yellow.
What the hell?
No way.
Was the Lynx in play?
People are swinging on us.
One knocked on yellow.
I'm gonna start pushing up higher left a little bit.
These guys are swinging on us over here. Blue
One's
mark.
on. 2 guys on orange.
Knocked one with the no helmet.
Okay.
One's higher left.
Yeah. Knock one.
He's prone there. Kind of fucked. He died of blue.
Careful his knife team.
Yeah,
One
he's
team
running
on
in
blue.
green.
Oh, yo, he's
One
running in
team.
blue.
Yeah.
Lynx.
Nice, nice.
Careful, Lynx.
Team all dead. Only 2 up, guys. Only 2 up. They're flipping
Yeah,
the team
above
to the wall.
Over here. Blue mark.
About to peek blue.
Tagged him.
One should be in the green. Oh, left green soak. Knocked one up. Last
Nice.
guy is down
Blue?
below, north.
Yeah, last scene.
I have no meme. I'm just gonna kill.